Ever wondered how to monetize your YouTube channel? How to make your passion for content creation pay off? Well, you're not alone. Many are curious about turning their YouTube hobby into a profitable venture. Today, we're going to guide you through the process, breaking it down into clear, easy-to-follow steps. First, create a YouTube channel if you don't have one already. If you do, make sure you're logged into it. Second, start creating content. Your videos should be high quality, informative, entertaining, or engaging. Tailor your content to match the interests of your audience. Third, build your subscriber base. Consistently upload content and maintain engagement with your viewers to increase your subscribers. Fourth, work on increasing your views and watch time. Promote your videos and consider creating longer videos or playlists to boost your watch time. Next, check your eligibility for the YouTube Partner Program or YPP. To join YPP, your channel needs to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Additionally, it's crucial to follow YouTube's policies. The sixth step involves creating a Google AdSense account. This is necessary for receiving ad revenue. Once your channel meets the eligibility criteria, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. You can do this by going to the Monetization tab in YouTube Studio and following the instructions. After applying, configure your monetization settings. Link your AdSense account to YouTube and set up your monetization preferences. Make sure your content is advertiser-friendly to ensure ads can be played. Always adhere to the community guidelines and AdSense policies. Finally, keep track of your revenue. You can monitor your income through YouTube Analytics and keep an eye on your regular updates. Monetizing a YouTube channel can take time, but with consistent quality content, it's entirely possible. In summary, the process of YouTube monetization involves creating engaging content, building a subscriber base, increasing watch time, meeting the YPP eligibility criteria, setting up an AdSense account, applying for YPP, configuring your monetization settings, creating advertiser-friendly content, and tracking your revenue. Remember, patience and persistence are key in this journey. So start creating, keep engaging, and let your YouTube channel be more than just a hobby.